So Adobe just bought Topaz Labs, and that deal closes in just a few months. Now, Topaz already costs money. That part's not new. The scary part is what happens next, because here's Adobe's track record. They buy a tool, they keep it on live support just long enough to pull the good parts into their own apps, and then they quietly shut it down. Nobody knows the future of Topaz right now, and it's hard to keep paying for something when you don't even know if it'll be there next year. So I went and found a tool that runs on my computer, never touches the cloud, and takes these cheap little AI designs that come out blurry and makes them sharp enough to actually print and sell. Let me put you on. So this is going to be Aiarty Image Enhancer. This tool runs offline on your computer, so your original designs never get uploaded or never get trained for someone's AI. For artwork you plan to sell, that matters a lot. No forced subscriptions, just one app on your machine. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and create an AI image, right? This is my weekly spreadsheet that I provide on this channel. If comment Volt down below and I'll send you the full spreadsheet of this right here, which you'll get every single week of new ideas and new niches sent to you and updated every single week with 5 new ideas like that. So what we're gonna do is come over here into Ideogram AI, create an image. So go ahead and let that generate the image, and you can see it's going. And the main goal is to turn an AI art into a print ready POD design. So you can, if you want to put it like up on a t-shirt or a poster, anything like that, it'll definitely work. So let's go ahead and let's take, I like this one a lot. Let me just go ahead and download that size. So it downloaded to the computer. Come over here back into Aiarty Image, and we're going to go ahead and get that design. I have it on improved support for AI generated images right here. For more clarity, have it on the AIGC Smooth V3. And then I want to do a custom upscale over here. We're going to have it by 4500 by 5400. That design concept, that's the size I want it to be. Let me go ahead and do that over. Let me upload this design here. Get this one up and let it go for us, and it's going, and it got the resolution size for us, and then it's going ahead to upscale everything for us the way that we want it. And this is exactly how you're going to make like your AI design or your design work on like a hoodie, wall art, poster, anything like that. And you can see the difference too. You see that right away? This is really cool. Okay, you can see that zooming out, you see the difference. See more of the eye. You see the eye here. It's not as blurry. Look here, not as blurry, right? And then pretty clean. Really, really cool. Now let's go ahead and see. Let's go ahead and do a single export on this one right here. And you're seeing that it's boom, downloading to the computer. And then it populated over here on my end. You can even do like a batch export too as well. All right, so way number 3 to make money is going to be photo restoration side hustle. So I've seen a lot of people using this in like Facebook groups where like, hey, can you help me fix this image? It's an older image. Now you can test this out with one of your images, or if you have an image, you can find one like on Google. There's a few people like over here on Etsy that are offering this service, and they're making a good amount of money over here. Okay, look at this, 58 sales in a month, right? And they're 23 charging 23, 15 sales charging 25. So this is really cool right here, and to see something like this, like offering a service like this, it can be done pretty easy with AI. So what I did was grab an image over here from 1940, just type that in. Gonna come over here into Aiarty. There's an old photo right here. Go ahead and upload it. Now, there's a few things that it's doing right here. I have it in the AIGC Smooth V3. Let's move this over to the more detail. Or better skin and hair. This one's the one that you want to run it to. So I'll switch that one over there. And then another thing we're going to press right here is the face restoration. So there's a few different things that you can use down here, but it all depends. Like it has to apply for what you want to do. And then I'm just going to go ahead right here and hit that. And it will show us like the before and after. You can see there already the before and after. You can see how, you know what I mean? If you look at that. This is crazy. And you can see by just looking at the image there. Okay, we did the custom. Let's do just like let's do the 4K. Let that go back. Yeah, look at that. Crazy, huh? So that's like a service that you can offer right there to make money as far as, photo, doing, helping people restore their photos. You can, old family photos, faded photos. People pay $5, $10, $15 for this. And you obviously see the Etsy shops that are charging up in the 20s. You can run a batch of these right here. You can do like the batch export, and while you're sleeping, you can get a lot of this done and then come back and be done in minutes, right? Number 4 is you can clean up like
sharper like product photos, food photos, anything like that, and you can offer them to people. Because like look at something like this. If someone has their own, they're selling their own cheeseburgers, smash burgers, or for example like this, like a cheeseburger like this, you can definitely help someone clean it up for a post or for an image, and then for a social media post, and help them with this. And this, you can offer, the clearer pictures, more clicks, more sales. Something simple like this can be definitely done and can help someone make money. Number 5, the fifth one, they also offer, and something new that Aiarty is offering, is the Video Enhancer 2 now. Okay, so you can offer like another service like this. You can upscale old footage, AI clips to 4K. That'll be another service that could be offered here, which is really cool. You can see a lot of the stuff that they offer here when it comes to something like this. It make things a lot smoother and a lot better when it comes to helping people with their videos. And look at that. That's crazy.
Topaz is still a good tool, and Adobe hasn't shut anything off yet. The thing is, I like owning my tools, not renting them. So the offline, the private stuff on my computer, that's where I like to keep things where I'm working at, right? And that's the cool thing about this. And everything I showed you here is beginner friendly, drag and drop things, and understand everything that, how I'm doing things on the computer. And then a fast recap, you can see how I turned the AI image into a print ready file. So for like your Amazon merch, for Printify, or your Etsy, or Gelato, whatever you're doing with your designs, then you can offer like a photo restore on the side, anything like that, which is really cool. You could definitely make money with that. You don't need Adobe's whole suite to start making money. You need a design that prints clean and a place you can sell it. Remember that. If you want to test it out, link down below, go grab it. Run one of your own designs through it and just see the difference before you do anything else. If this helped you, do me a favor, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one are you trying first, the print-on-demand designs or the photo restore hustle. I read them all. Tools don't make you good. They make good people faster. I'll see you in the next one. And if you want to see another point of view on how you can upscale your image, watch this video right here next.